Friends, the first step you have to open the model Instagram profile and you have to take the screenshot. Okay, how to take the screenshot, this is the first step. The next step you have to go to PicsArt application. Let's open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon, tap on this backgrounds, select the white background. The first step, go to tools, go to crop, tap on this portrait, tap on tick. The next step you have to go to add photo and select the screenshot which we did before. This is the screenshot. Tap on this crop like this, tap on tick. Now simply zoom out in the center. Perfect. Now tap on shadows, tap on position and make it 100. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to draw, tap on draw. Now tap on shapes, select the square, scroll up, tap on fill, tap on OK, select the color, select the orange color, tap on tick. Now draw one square below the screenshot like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on shapes, tap on OK. Now start erase like this. Okay, and this side also you have to erase the like same. Okay, erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to tools, tap on perspective, tap on second one and okay, keep it -1.1. Now tap on tick. The next step, you have to add the Instagram logo pages on the back side. Go to add photo and select logos. First I am going to arrange these black logos, one here and another one in this portion. Okay, perfect. Now this one here, tap on eraser, tap on eraser, erase these inside portions. Now tap on tick, now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and you have to rotate it and you have to arrange this one here. Tap on eraser, erase. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. The next step, you have to add the light PNGs. Go to add photo and keep this shadow aside and keep this light one here. Tap on layer, tap on duplicate, tap on flip rotate and arrange another one here. Now take this shadow and arrange below the lights to give the realistic look. Perfect. Tap on this shadow, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The final step, we have to add the model image. Go to add photo and select the model image. This is the model image. Tap on cutout, tap on outline, draw on the model image. Now tap on arrow, tap on save. This is the model image. Simply arrange your model image perfectly in the center like this. Okay, arrange center, tap on shadow, tap on position, make it 100, make it 100. This is perfect. Now tap on tick. The next step, we have to add the shadow effect to the model image. Go to add photo. Now arrange the shadow to the model, arrange it below the legs. Okay, like this, below the foot. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another shadow in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick. In the final step, I have to go to draw, tap on draw, tap on brush, keep it full and draw on the lower portion to give the shadow effect. Tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before empty background, this is the final output. If you want, you can view some touch up in the tools and adjust. Okay, tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.